Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is a story writing. The Hare and the Tortoise. One day a hare said to a tortoise, "Shall we have a race?" "All right," said the tortoise. "Let's run to that pillar beyond the woods." They both started running. The hare ran fast. The tortoise walked slowly. The hare looked back and saw the tortoise far behind. He decided to take rest, so he lay down under a tree and soon fell asleep. The tortoise came near the tree and saw the hare sleeping. He went on. Soon he reached the pillar, which was fixed as the target. After a good sleep, the hare woke up. He then ran up to the pillar, but he was surprised to see the tortoise there before him. The tortoise thus won the race. Moral: slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.